snacks today. I have some cherries, packed up some blueberries, granola bar, oatmeal cookie, and a sparkling water. I was just gonna make a PB&J to bring as well for lunch, but the power went out, so I'm gonna wait for it to come back so I can use the toaster. Packing up the car, just have one bag so it's easy for me to carry to the beach with all my stuff. And then up front I just got my phone and my water bottle. Okay, I'm about to head out. The drive is about 40 minutes from my house to get to the beach, so I'm gonna go drive and hopefully it's not busy because it is a Saturday. But I'm hoping that I left early enough, so fingers crossed. I'm always like anxious about the parking, but I think we'll be okay today. I just made it to the beach and I got a good spot for parking. I even backed in, so it's gonna be really easy to get out of here later, which I'm really happy about. Parking near the back, but got here a good time. It is 10:11 and yeah, I'm going to grab my bag and we're gonna go find a spot on the beach. I also paid for the parking on my phone and I just did the whole day because I don't want to think about when I actually have to pack up and leave. I'm all set up in my little corner here near the beach. I have my lunch in this bag and a sweater just in case, which I'm not gonna need. And then lotion, sunscreen, sunglasses. This is the book I'm gonna read. I haven't started it yet, but I've read this girl before, so I'm hoping it'll be good. And then I just have like my hat and like hairbrush and claw clip, and then extra towel for my pillow, and then my phone. I like to hide under there. And yeah, so I'm gonna chill at the beach. This is my first solo beach day trip ever. I usually go with someone, but recently there hasn't really been anyone to go with, so I decided I'm just going to be brave and go on my own. I think I'm gonna go for a little dip. It's so nice and warm. Weather's perfect. There's like no clouds. It's really busy, but I'm loving it. It's actually really nice to be at the beach and not have people pressuring me to leave. So I just went back in the water again, and it's like 12:30, so I'm going to eat lunch now. I just pulled up to Shaw's. We're gonna get some ice cream before we go home. It's about 3:30, so I definitely spent like a good 5 hours at the beach. And yeah, so we're gonna get some ice cream. This is some of my favorite little stop that you have to go to after the beach. And I think I'm gonna get birthday cake again. I got it last weekend, but I really like that flavor. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some ice cream. It is time to head home now. Just had my ice cream. It was really good. It's really hot in the car, so I'm gonna keep this short. I want to say thanks for watching. I know it's been a while, but I know I just get caught up with work and life and things. I'm really proud of myself for coming out today and going to the beach by myself. If you know me, you know I get like really anxious about going and doing anything alone. So I'm proud of myself for coming out today and enjoying my time and having a little self-care beach day and ice cream. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and goodbye.